Number one, as the governor of this county and the people of this county, I want to state categorically that as Uasin Gishu residents and the people of this county, we are absolutely peaceful. And as county government, we are not aware of any threats that have been issued to anybody. I've been a governor for the last 8 years. I'm not aware of any citizen whose land is being occupied by another person forcefully. I just want to ask the DCI, Wanakinoti, that there are matters you can joke around with, but there are matters you have to take them with the seriousness it deserves. DCI was not created yesterday. DCI was there 2007, 2008. And therefore, to make allegations that there are people who are involved and are working free, then you are indicting the DCI itself for having failed to actually do their work that time. What we want to tell anybody with a slight intention of causing violence in this county, that we are not ready, we are not going to accept. We made a decision with our minds and with our hearts, and we made peace with ourselves, and we said, we shall forever live in